Oh my gosh, why am I doing this?
You scared, bro?
Yes, bro, I'm scared of water.
I just see the damage. Why?
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, man, to shoot them niggas. Yo, Curtis. What's good, bro?
Wait, whoa.
Add items to the match to open for the bond.
I got my survival handbook.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yo, I popped my pills.
They show me how to do it. Why you? I know you ain't just hit me. This nigga just hit me and ran away. Nah, that's crazy.
Yo, what we supposed to do?
I gotta find some medicine because
you don't know the goal of this game.
Bro, they really just gonna spawn us in the game and not knowing. Bro, who is this?
It's like it's like in the first one. Bro, that's my nigga Jerry,
That nigga named me Jerry.
Bro,
Bro, that
who is
nigga
Jerry?
name is Jerry. Fuck
No,
you,
it's
B.
not.
Ugh, bro, you look nasty, bro.
Oh, don't talk about me,
Curtis.
bro.
Curtis.
Hmm?
Ain't this the nigga who stomped on us?
Dom.
This nigga right here.
No.
What the hell, nigga? You ugly as hell. What the
Survival, okay.
My nigga kept
I need
else
a tarp plus a stick.
Oh,
So
wait.
firewood, just get it logged. Chop
Cause
that
here
hoe,
go the
chop
book right
that
here.
hoe. Throat bridge.
Tarp.
Bro, it's starting to get dark, bro.
That's why we need. That's why we need to build the little tent thing.
We gonna die.
We.
Nah, where's the tarp?
Yeah, y'all. Don't say we.
Nigga, this not Dr. Stone, bro.
How we get tarp though?
We just gonna have to explore. We probably where did you wanna follow the GPS? Come on. You wanna go to that purple thing?
Yeah. That's a long ass walk.
Yeah, they kinda getting a little thirsty. Where the food at? Yeah, no bacon bites?
What the hell?
I got a lot of berries. Hold on.
Oh yeah, good looks, good look. Oh, yeah, how
I got 18. I got 18 blueberries and I got 4 salmon berries. But I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how to drop them.
Oh, it's okay, bro. I got a solution for that, bro.
Hey. You can't do that.
I got just a solution for that, bro.
Don't do that. All right.
Okay. Hey, swing on me though. I want to test something real quick. Like, swing on me for real. Oh.
Wait. Oh, that hard. Nah, you really swung on me when I wasn't paying attention. I was in my inventory. You just hit me.
Wait, hey, Curtis. Look,
Wait,
count down
I
from
can
3.
give you the blueberries. Okay, I know how to do it.
Hold on, Curtis. Count. I want to see. Hey, back up, nigga, back up. Look. Wait, back up, bro. Look, I want you to try swinging on me. If you double click, right click, I think you can parry. So swing on me real quick. Damn. Yo.
What?
I need medicine, bro. Yo, that did not work.
Going to the cave as well. Oh yeah, we can take that. We can break it down. Yeah, take it.
Nigga, I broke it. It is. Ain't no way.
I ain't gonna lie, George. I don't think we should be here.
Nigga, those are hands.
I ain't gonna lie, I think these were the cannibals be. Hold on, what's this?
Nigga, those are hands.
Tart. I got tart.
Like, how you pick it up? Like, I broke it. Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
Look, we good. I'm pretty sure we can share it.
Bro, let's get away from here. I've seen
And
fingers
equip my
getting
axe.
eaten. Where is Patrick? Bro, this nigga don't
The ping. You have to ping.
kill that thing.
Kill what?
Alright, bro, I just got some fresh squirrel, bro.
It's a deer. Come on, nigga.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, it's a cannibal, it's a cannibal, it's a cannibal, it's a cannibal, it's a cannibal. Run. It's a cannibal, it's a cannibal. Hey, just keep straight. Don't turn around. It's a cannibal. I'll see him on all fours. I'm not going.
I thought that was the wolf.
Nah. Ain't no wolf, boy. We need to go to this ping
What
over
the
here.
fuck? Y'all niggas following me?
No, it was a ping over here.
Yo,
Here goes some more
nigga,
loot
there was a
over here.
cannibal over there, bro.
That's crazy.
I got batteries and tape.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Hey, let's get him.
Beat your ass.
Let's get him.
Wait, don't kill that nigga. Don't kill that nigga. Please don't kill that nigga. I don't want to have no people. Kill that nigga.
Wait. Bro, nigga, go to your survival kit. Nigga, you get a knife.
He's swinging. No, you can kill him with the axe. Where'd he go?
Yo, that's another. There's more niggas. There's more.
Oh, time to go.
Oh no.
Julius, follow me.
Niggas gotta go fast.
I'm going.
Niggas are not on this today.
Yo, there's niggas behind us, bro. They was running on tools. That nigga was running on.
Oh, he's still. Oh, never mind. There's Kevin. Oh, Julius. I see somebody. Julius, wait. Don't go to it.
That nigga
Do
has
not go to
4
it.
arms. No, bro.
Julius, hold on.
I kill you how I kill
You wanna
this
kill
nigga,
it?
nigga.
Wait, it's one of the cannibals behind her.
Nigga. It seems like they don't know it. They're
Do we
crazy.
gotta go to it?
No, nigga. I don't want to go in there.
I'm going to it.
Nigga, behind you, nigga.
Go ahead.
Then
Come
she
on.
running, nigga. She running.
Fight back!
All right, we need to go to her. I think that's what they want us to do.
I'm building my camp here.
She running.
Why she
Yo, she kinda got
running?
ass.
Come here. Okay.
She got 4 booty cheeks.
Did she jump off?
No, nigga. She crazy. Hey, say, back the hell up.
Nigga,
What we
get a
supposed to do?
house.
Nigga. Yo, I'm telling you.
Fuck.
Yo, Curtis, what the f is
lost in the
that?
chopper.
Curtis, get the f on. Curtis, there's a big nigga. There's a big
Hold on.
nigga. Please get to me. Please get to me. Please get to me. Please get to
Kevin,
me.
you good,
I am-
bro?
Always something.
Look, mad as hell, Kevin. You
I ain't
good?
gonna lie, bro. I'm-
24 hours later.
They won't kill him.
Yo, I'm about to
Like,
die. I got something for your ass.
Fight.
They could climb me. Oh, hit me. Yo, Patrick, you got meds, bro?
Nah, I used all mine on myself.
Yo, they coming back.
Hello, motherfucker.
Shut your ugly ass up. I'm dead, nigga, help! Patrick! Patrick, I'm gonna die.
I'm right here, calm down.
Help. Who revived me? That
Only
was you?
person right by you.
Thank you, bro. Give me your meat.
You're gay!
Hey, Pat, you got that fire?
Yeah, he's standing right by you.
What?
This ugly ass nigga.
This shit, why you say my name Will? Cause I don't got nothing.
Nah, Curtis, I mean Patrick.
24 hours later.
I think I'm finna build me a house on the shore. After we get out this cave.
Alright, bro, I'm here to live with you, bro.
Nah, hold on. Now you wanna live with me, bro? You kinda switched up.
Alright, bro, where we going next? We go drink me some salty ass water.
Oh god. That water's salty as hell. They still drinking it. Alright, let's start heading to the cave. Bro, you know you can't drink out the ocean, bro. You gotta go to the lakes.
Oh my gosh, he just ate the fish raw. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. They eat it raw. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh shoot, I got a pistol.
Hey, protect me real quick.
I died by a shark.
Oh? You died?
Alright, bro, let's go. Let's make Kevin build a house, bro.
Damn.
lie. I'm not waste the bullets though.
Wait, I ain't gonna lie.
Give me the goodies.
I don't know how to put a structure in.
The what?
I don't know how to do this. How do I do this? Put a house down.
Bro, I feel like we gon' some nigga we gon' pick the wrong ones. I'm telling you.
It's not that hard to kill them, especially when we got updated axes.
I'm updated. Access don't be playing slow.
5 minutes later.
I think we should just go in. All right, let's go. Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go ahead. Let's go, bro.
No.
Squeezing. Damn, it's dark as a hole. I'm kind of claustrophobic.
Bro, you good.
Bro, my game freezing and shit.
My game just crashed?
No, you straight.
Hold
You
on.
straight. Yo.
We need to get the lighters out. Hold on. Where the lighter?
L.
Oh, there it is. There you go.
Move your fat ass out the way. I can't
Yeah, I
move.
got shot on stuff. I got my torch.
Oh, what? This nigga.
You
so
really
bad.
should lead the way though.
Yeah, go first, nigga. You got the torch.
What?
You the
Go
one
eat,
with
nigga,
the
go
brightest light.
first.
Just go.
I'm stuck. I ain't this shit, bro.
Be quiet. There's something, bro. There's something moving down here. You don't hear them footsteps?
You see a white light?
Come in here. Come in
Yeah, I
here.
saw that. Go!
I'm glitching, bro. I got water. Oh, what's this?
It's a book.
Oh, it's a 3D printer. Arrows. You get it.
Oh, I got medicine.
Yo. Back up. This
Save.
Back
Save
up.
right here. Save right here.
Yours? Wait.
I just made this, bro. Back up.
Oh, I want to see.
Hey, save the game right here.
Alright, what? Hold on, I'm gonna do it after
Right
I get
there.
my. Damn, nigga.
I'm trying to figure. Fuck.
Move. Let me get my shit.
Nigga, we not even near you.
Yeah, put that bitch on. Yo,
Bro, there's a whole facility down
yo,
here.
Curtis.
Yeah, wait up.
That's crazy.
What about it? What?
Bro, this how I think this hit like makes us blend in with them niggas. You put this on
Yeah.
your face. Watch out.
No,
Let me
I'm
put some
finna
more
put it
in.
back in.
Move,
Put some
nigga,
more.
move.
Yeah,
Yo,
Bro, back up, nigga.
Nigga. So you don't want me to refill that? It says we need water, nigga.
Nigga, I just
Bro, that
refilled
ain't
it.
water. Why you keep saying
Hold up.
water?
It says, nigga, you gotta put water in that bitch. Watch out. On
Bro,
me.
do you not know what a 3D printer takes?
You
Nigga.
clearly don't.
Or what? Oh, that's oil.
Stupid.
Nigga, I thought it was water.
You think everything water.
That's
See,
what it says.
grease was water. There's nothing down there. I literally went down there. There's nothing down there.
Well, nigga, I want to see.
Oh, there's money out here.
I know I stole some of it.
I mean, nigga, what we need money for?
Oh no.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah, that's a good point.
Bro, it's a whole facility. Come on, give it a buck.
Nigga, we is on a stranded island with cannibals.
Bro, but come on, think
We
about
gonna pay the cannibals to be our friends or something?
it. No, bro, we could find a vending machine or something.
We need to find a key card.
Man, fuck around. It's gonna be an ATM in this. We gonna need to slide a few dollars.
He must not know. We can throw these spears.
That man right, cause her body.
Watch this. Watch this. Voila.
You talk about voila. Oh, yeah. Bro, let's say I'm thirsty. You won't let me drink some water.
So we finna go to the cave or what?
Hold on, nigga. I'm hungry.
We can go right now.
Kevin came back? That's crazy.
I'm gonna eat one more fish.
You eating them raw.
Yeah. They good like this.
Nigga cooked on. Hey, nigga. Nigga, did you just eat my fish? Oh no, you gonna die. You gonna have to die. You gotta die. You gotta.
Who?
Or fucking eat my fish.
What are you talking to?
This nigga Patrick just ate my fish. No, you come back over here, you get swung on.
Hey, I think y'all should.
Go that nigga. This nigga ate my fucking food. Nigga, survival of the fittest in this.
It is.
Relax, bro. It was just a joke, bro.
We already been to the one on the right. Let's go to the one on the left.
You
All right, let's go this way. Come on.
Man, I'm somewhere.
Let's go. Follow me.
Nigga, I know you did not just hit me.
I shot you.
That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Wait. Nah, never mind.
Lame, man.
You ain't gonna play with me, nigga.
Oh, it's two of them.
Who it
I don't
was?
want to waste bullets.
No, you gonna have
Waste
to
your
hit these
bullets, nigga.
dudes.
You shot me.
That's a revenge.
Revenge. You ate my fish. What the hell is this?
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, Patrick, shoot them niggas.
Bro, no.
Bro, what the fuck?
He running?
F-15.
No, kill that nigga. Oh, no. Kill that nigga.
I'm dying.
Yeah, get him. That nigga got laid out again.
I died. I died.
Nigga, help.
I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, please don't leave.
I'm not leaving, bro. I
Get
need
me,
to
bro.
get
I'm
away
gonna
from him.
run. Get me and we finna dip.
No, bro, bro.
Look
For real.
at she took it down. Fuck
No,
these niggas.
I'm not
God,
leaving.
bro.
I'm coming back, bro. I just can't fight them off. Julius!
Dying. Died.
Oh no, nigga, no,
Okay.
Bro, you keep dying, bro.
Niggas, it's like 3 of them niggas, bro.
Bro, Patrick. How the one you got
Who
the gun
are
to keep
these
your
niggas?
slip, bro? Wait.
Nah, bro, listen, bro, I ran out of bullets.
This nigga, cause he was shooting me.
I only shot the gun twice.
Oh my goodness, this nigga had 2 bullets and laid them out on me. Bro, nigga, yo, pick me up. I'm about to die.
Keep getting slept, bro.
Give me a minute, I'm popping Curt.
Oh my goodness, bro. I'm about to take the fuck off.
Bro, just follow me, bro.
I'm gonna follow you, nigga. Who's that standing next to me?
Heard it.
Bro, my shit, my skull.
Come on. Come on.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro,
Oh no, we not fighting them niggas. Oh no.
24 hours later.
That is a nigga.
trying to jump.
That is a nigga. Yup. No,
Oh,
we
he
gonna,
was not playing with you,
I'm gonna
boy.
put your fucking ass down.
I got a hit in my
Get that nigga fuck down.
Bro, look at this dude, Curtis. Curtis, look at this
No,
dude.
I know you niggas really.
Yeah, what?
Oh shit, that's a big nigga. Hey, go. It's them brolic niggas.
Alright. They running to us, too. They're running.
Much later.
I'm finna swim.
Bro, you
You're
gonna
gonna, bro, go ahead.
Nah. Watch these. Go to sleep over real quick.
Bro, this nigga playing Fortnite.
You want a stick? All right, here, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. I want to see what you're gonna do.
Bro,
I'm intrigued.
You can put it down.
Hold on.
They say I'm tired. I don't know why. I say,
I need some water.
let me
Hold
save real quick. I bet. Let's get it. Watch
Go
these.
ahead.
I'm gonna go get me a gun.
Oh, let's watch this.
You sound like you don't believe in me. I don't
I
like
believe
that.
you. I believe in you. I believe you gonna fucking die.
I don't like that. As long as they don't jump scare me, I'm straight. I'm looking getting scared now.
Yo, ain't no way this nigga finna get that. I'm about to die with them myself.
Why you waiting on me, bro?
Patrick, yo, you niggas are crazy. This nigga made it? Nigga, I'm swimming over there.
Bro.
Yeah.
Bro, the only part I can figure out how you get on. Bro, how you get on there, Curtis?
You press E. You hold E.
Oh. Bro. Alright, I'm on my way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be mad as f*** when the shark eat me, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that shark just jumped up. I don't know if y'all want it.
No, I don't care.
Okay. I'm already there. I'm already halfway
So-
there. Oh my gosh, why am I doing this?
You scared, bro?
Yes, bro, I'm scared of water.
I just see the damage. Bye.
You always screaming, bro.
This nigga took this nigga blade. Oh, get out! Oh, get out!
Hold E. I
Nigga,
told
you
you
not
to
working.
get up.
Please, give me a...
Other way.
Oh my god.
You scared to go back?
Oh, that's purple, bro.
I'm taking my
Yeah,
I'm taking my
I'm trying to-
ibuprofen. This hurt.
That shark, bro, he doing circles around us, bro. Look at him. Look at him. He doing circles around us.
No.
Hey, watch
Did you not
these.
get the gun?
I got the gun.
I'll put my... No, I'm about to pop that nigga.
Yeah.
Where my gun? Oh,
I think he
yeah.
dead.
This gonna look nice.
I think he did.
He dead?
Yeah, I killed him.
Ain't no way you killed that fat ass. Nah, nigga, I ain't
shot him.
scared. Move.